Tove and Shalom, Mr. Bacot. We back out at the land, getting it going. We got the crew out here, man. I tell you, all praise to Yahuwah. Got the hard workers out here. I mean, they doing it too. Yep, we got everything. I got our water together that we needed, full, ready to go. So we'll be able to get through quicker and earlier today. You know, we're doing the other parts of the wall. That's my foreman right there, Jamil. He getting them together. He had that meeting with them, boy. He don't play with them. He get them right. He see them slacking. Oh, he'll tell them quick. He'll sack them. That's what they call sacking when you get fired or get kicked out the house. You call it sacking. And he ain't playing with them. He let them know. So he having a meeting. Everybody got a very important part. Our ladies here, they go fetch that water. See that what I'm talking about? Big pan. You know how heavy water is. And they carry it on their head. They be doing it, man. I take my hat off to them. These are really hard working women. And they work just as hard as the men. See right here, they're bringing the dirt over. They're gonna bring the rocks over next. They're gonna have the cement. As you see over there, they just start mixing it. You know, and then they're gonna go pour it down in the trench. We're gonna dug for the wall. And we gotta go get the chariot, change the stem on it. No good. I'll be right back with y'all. Let me see. Come on,